Welcome to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I'm your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-A-Mash, and we're starting today's video content out with a look at the jet streams. It's a meteorology segment, so won't you join us for some in-depth global weather stuff? Huge bend in the jet stream here to the west of Australia. Starting to blow backward over the Indian Ocean here. The jet stream there blowing east to west instead of the normal route. A little bit more coherent jet stream in the northern hemisphere. Let's look at the surface winds. There are the surface winds of the east side. Shout out to our viewers on this side of the planet. Next, the surface winds of the west. And there you have it. How about the jet streams of the Western world? There you have that. It's the 250 hectopascal winds. And we've got a huge divergence here in the Atlantic Ocean. Huge divergence. And a huge upper-level anticyclone here rotating clockwise off of the coast of Spain. Let's continue on and blast through some more stuff as we've got ice storms on the way, and we've got anomalously warm temperatures coming to the east. Unfortunately, it's going to be accompanied by some rain, but in any case, a lot of you folks in the east who are not enjoying the deep freeze we've been experiencing, I believe you've survived another deep freeze. I think it's the last one of the winter, folks. Here comes some anomalously warm temperatures at like 20 degrees Celsius above normal. That's your 72-hour GFS model forecast for temperature anomaly. Degrees are, again, listed in Celsius. Next, we've been talking about an ice storm coming, and it's coming. It's going to be here around just after midnight. It's going to set up, especially in Oklahoma, Missouri, and southeastern Kansas. Then it's going to spread across a large portion of the country. Those pink areas are expected to be freezing rain. Please don't go driving in freezing rain. It's unfortunate to watch people crash, and if you don't have studded tires, your likelihood of crashing in a freezing rainstorm is shockingly high. That's your 72-hour precipitation and GFS forecast. We don't usually go beyond 72 hours because we like our forecasts to be accurate. So we're going to look at the European model here for precipitation type. And you'll see right here, just after midnight, things are actually expected to set up here in southern Iowa is the first freezing rain we're expecting on the European model. And then northern Missouri, a large portion of Illinois, and then southeastern Kansas. And as this progresses, let's actually just let that play through there. That pink band is where not to drive. So that's a European forecast model. We'll let this get all the way through to about 72 hours. This is about where things will be in 72 hours. That's the European forecast model for precipitation type from windy.com. Next, your weather.gov map. If your county is lit up, just click your county from weather.gov. Looks like we've got some flood watches there on the big island of Hawaii on the west side. Again, weather.gov for your county weather alerts. Next, looking at a NASA GOES lightning mapper here. Quite a bit of lightning here over South America. It's summertime, and shout out to our viewers from south of the border. How about a real-time lightning map, you ask? Well, we deliver. It's from lightningmaps.org. Next time you hear thunder, check it out. It looks like we have a cell here in the South Central Pacific. Some lightning happening there in a pretty desolate portion of the world. The Pacific Ocean, Earth's largest body of water. This video was originally streamed to Twitch, twitch.tv/Smash-A-Mash. Thanks to our followers over at Twitch. I'll bet you can go to a website, twitch.tv/Smash-A-Mash. Download the app. You'll see when we go live. It'll send you a notification. It works great. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. If you're only viewing on BitChute, you're missing most of the content. We occasionally put up space weather videos to attempt to get you to view the videos on YouTube, where most of our content is located. There are videos about athletic stuff called Do One Thing. There's a playlist for it. There's some original music. There are driving and riding pro tips, space weather videos, thanks to our YouTube subscribers. Thanks to the Smash team. If you prefer to see the videos continue to publicly exist and remain visible to all for free, consider becoming a member of the Smash team at the gold or silver level. There are some teasers as to what the gold and silver level members will get. Actually, that's only for gold members. Another reason the concordance model of stellar evolution is incorrect, and a paper about solar jets available only to gold level. Let's get back to meteorological phenomenon. Here is the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean, and we've got some charging hazards over the Pacific Ocean, and you can see some errors being caused there by charge-ups of the GOES 16 West. But for the most part, that is what's going on for the water vapor over the Pacific Ocean, Earth's largest body of water and largest surface heat sink. And let's blast through some more current data. Here is the U.S. Doppler. A bunch of precipitation there over the northern Rockies, and some showing up in the deserts of Arizona. Also northern New York and northern New England seeing a little bit of precipitation there. That's the radar.weather.gov Doppler radar. Here is the shortwave radiation map. Low clouds on the Atlantic Ocean. You can see all these low clouds in this area right here. And here is the water vapor map for that area. Things are drying up over southeastern Colorado. So here's a recap. I think I forgot to zoom out and show the heavy precipitation here striking southern Alaska. Some very heavy precipitation there. Really 3 large cells. Anyway, there's a lower 48 U.S. Doppler radar. There is a shortwave radiation map. There is the water vapor. Use this when your Doppler is not being clear as to what will happen next. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you check out our space weather videos if you haven't. YouTube.com/Smashamash. And I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smashamash. Signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.